a Kenyan brand, and I decided to try it out and share the recipe with you. Holahme with me, Candy. Today we are going to be making something sweet and delicious. It's a simple recipe with very few ingredients and it's easy and quick to make. Within less than an hour or 30 minutes or so, you'll have your meal ready and to be eaten. So the inspiration for this meal was I got some barbecue sauce in the shop. I usually buy American Garden, but this time round I got one by Kaputei, which is a Kenyan brand, and I decided to try it out and share the recipe with you guys. So welcome as we make our meatballs, which is a barbecue sauce meatballs. Karibuni, twende kazi. So for ingredients we have minced meat, an egg, breadcrumbs, black pepper, soy sauce, cumin powder and salt. To make your meatballs, in a bowl add in your minced meat, your salt, black pepper, some cumin powder, soy sauce, breadcrumbs and finish it off with one egg and then mix everything together. Next, begin making your round balls. This is where you apply your kindergarten skills of making plasticine or round molds from plasticine. Once all your balls are ready, we are going to heat oil in a pan with very low heat and then add in our rounded balls and let them fry for some time before flipping them over to the other side and fry them again. Once the meatballs are ready, you can remove them from the heat and place them on a paper towel after draining the excess oil. For the sauce, our ingredients are some chopped onions, parsley or dania, the barbecue sauce, ginger and garlic paste, and tomato paste. To make your sauce, add in your onions and fry until golden brown, followed by your ginger and garlic paste. Then add in your parsley stems or dania stems, followed by some tomato paste, then some little water. You don't want to have an ocean of water or soup. Then add in your barbecue sauce, followed by your parsley or dania leaves, and finally add in your meatballs and mix everything together. It's looking yummy and delicious and very tasty. But before we taste it, make sure you've subscribed. If you haven't yet subscribed, click the button below and subscribe so that you don't miss the next recipe, which I'll post next Friday, same time, same place. And also remember to click the bell button to have your notifications on whenever I post the new recipe. So for now, we're going to taste our meal and see whether the outcome is as we wanted it to be. So here is our meal, and I'm going to give it a shot and taste it. It's sweet and yummy. Actually, for the barbecue sauce, I'm not finding any much difference compared to the American Garden one. It's actually kind of similar, but this one is a bit sour, kind of a bit sour, but it's still as sweet as the American Garden one. So if you want to save your coin and to find something cheaper, the Kaputei brand is 3 times cheaper than the American Garden. So next time you go and shop, remember to go and search for one. You'll get it at a friendly price at only 175 shillings. So thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe, share, like and comment on what you found or enjoyed about this recipe. And I'll see you next time. Goodbye and see you next time.